My name is Juanjo, short. I work as a drill engineer for an international oil company. I also have a PhD on engineering recently, 2 years ago. And yeah, I love programming, and this program has helped me a lot into getting better at programming. I was kind of lost in all the myriad of tutorials out there. I had programmed a lot in Python, copying a lot of code, but I've never done a project myself from the cradle to the grave, just to say, or from initial idea to MVP at least. And this program has helped me to put together all the pieces that were loose. And I think I've got a very good result, and I'm very, very happy for what I've achieved. Yeah. Results for me have been like amazing, from just the conceptualization, this mind map thing that you taught me how to use it for programming. I used it for many other things, but never for programming, which is good. And you break down a big problem into digestible pieces, and then you tackle one by one. So I think that's this process of how to do things from scratch is the most valuable thing I think anyone can get from PDM, and I'm very happy for that. Yeah. I was very doubtful, full of doubts, and will I be able to do that? Will I be able to stick to 10 weeks? Will I be able to do something in 10 weeks? Because I've been trying for longer times without any success. And 10 weeks for me, yeah, it seemed a little bit long, but at the end, it's been short. So it's with all the personal and professional commitments that I had, for me, it was kind of, I was very reluctant to seeing my results. And at the end of the day, I've got more than I expected. Yeah. It has many valuable things, but above all, I think that meeting you guys and a community that is in the same, let's say, in alignment with my interest in getting a good knowledge in programming, I think is the most valuable thing from PDM that I get. Yeah. Break down the big problem into small pieces, try to see where they interrelate, and tackle one at a time. And if you get stuck in one, I always had help. I would have backup support from you, reviewing the code. You were there to make me accountable for my code. I need more PR, I need more pull requests, so please. And that was something that pushes you and steer me in the right direction. So I think that's the aha moment. Yeah. Well, now I know I can do anything that I can imagine with Python. At least I know how to break it down, how to conceptualize it, and take it step by step from the first idea to an MVP. And yeah, I think that's where I think I am at this moment. Also, if I want to shift career or to improve in my own sector, I know I can do it right now because I have the tools in my arsenal. You get confidence through building. Yeah, I think that you've summarized it very well. Yeah. It really works. You only have to come without any pre-uses or any pre-conceptualized ideas in your head. You just need to stick what you say and follow you, because it works. And you have to come with humbleness and to be able to learn, because it is a learning path. It's a learning journey, and you have a very good two mentors. So take the most out of it.